Hi, my name is Helaina Jolly, and I am part of the distribution team for Munich Re Specialty. I am joined today by Don Fertig. Don is part of our Public Entity Risk Solutions group. Don is also a subject matter expert within that group for religious institutions. Don, as we're chatting today, the marketplace is very dynamic across a number of industry groups. In particular, for religious organizations, what are some of the challenges that they're seeing, and what are some of the unique solutions that Munich Re brings to the table?
One of the challenges that we continue to have is the reviver legislation for when we're offering sexual misconduct coverage. We continue to monitor the changes in reviver statutes. Per childusatoday.org, there are 32 states and the federal government that is considering changing statute of limitations reform in 2024. There are 4 states that have already passed such reform laws. There are 13 states with time-limited windows for reporting child sexual abuse, and 5 states where this window is open permanently. This will impact account discussions surrounding older retro dates. A sign of the changing times has violence touching even the most sacred of places. Because of this, religious organizations across the country are questioning whether or not they have a need for armed security. Whether you're considering an armed security team of internal or external personnel, this is an exposure that needs to be contemplated when underwriting our risks. The competitive landscape is changing significantly. Certain markets have been historically stable and consistent and are reducing capacity and choosing to remove themselves from providing coverage in certain states. And as religious institutions are looking for ways to cut insurance costs, they have become much more willing to increase retained limits and share limits in their insurance tower. With this change in appetite for accepting risk, we need to be more cognizant of bankruptcies in this space as a result. The solutions that we have is to feel free to reach out to the subject matter experts, not only for religious, but for schools, because a lot of the exposures in the religious-based entities include schools, and make use of their loss control, their safety, and their best practices. Anything that we can help you in making a solution to the things that you're seeing, we're here to help.
Don, thank you very much for telling us what the challenges are. I do think that Munich Re has a couple of resources available to clients in the religious institution space, Safe Parish and Safe Grace. Can you share with us what those actually are?
Sure, I'd be happy to share. Safe Parish is used for our diocesan business, our Catholic diocese and archdiocese, and Safe Grace is used for other denominations. What it is a resource within various articles, best practices. They have training videos for sexual abuse, misconduct, and they also have various tracking systems that you can use for your entity. And one other plus in the whole resource is that much of this can be provided to our customers free of charge, with the costs being included in their insurance program.